Welcome to Texas A&M AgriLife Extension, Hidalgo County. My name is Joanne and I am one of the FCH agents for the County of Hidalgo. Today, Ms. Dori, a Master Quilting volunteer, will teach us how to make a purse.
Hello, my name is Dori Perez, and I hope as you see this video that you will be in good health. And I have been a member of the Master Clothing Volunteer for over 10 years. And today we're going to learn how to make this beautiful little purse. It's called a wristlet because it's so easy to carry around, and just for like your essentials, like for the phone and your keys, so you won't be running out the door and maybe lose your phone.
The supplies you would need is half a yard of fabric for the outside, half a yard of fabric for the lining, and half a yard interfacing. In addition, your sewing tools such as your sewing machine, safety pins, and whatnot.
So we're gonna be, these are the two fabrics from the outer, and then we have the two for the lining, and then we're gonna be cutting the interfacing. So I'm gonna iron the interfacing to the wrong side of the main fabric. Now what we did is we got the main fabric, the outside of the purse. We ironed on the interfacing, and then we get a piece of the lining. Okay, those 3 layers. So we're gonna start sewing from this little dot up. Then we're gonna come in the neck of the purse, and then this one. So there's 3 curves. You go. Let's get this party started. Notice I didn't sew up here, okay? So we're gonna do the same thing to the other side, exactly. We're gonna start here, go like this, curve, curve, and then straight. So now we're gonna flip. We're gonna flip close to the seam, except we cannot cut on the seam because then we have to do it all over again. Both of them. Inside out. And then we're gonna iron it, okay? I'm gonna put 2 safety pins here. And I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to do until later. I'm going to keep you in suspense. One side is flipped and one side is not. Remember I told you I'm going to do something with the pins, safety pins? What we're going to do is open this up. And we're going to put right sides together. We're going to slide this safety pin in all the way to the top. Okay, and now with the other safety pin, we're going to slide it into the other handle, like that. Remove the safety pin and put a safety pin here.
You will sew the top of the handles shut.
It's right sides together. And then it's right side together, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna sew from here to here, okay? We're gonna do the other side. So now I'm gonna do the bottom part. On the outer, I'm gonna sew all the way through. But on the lining, I'm gonna leave a space here in between because we're gonna flip the purse over. So these little squares we have to, so that we're gonna box it on the bottom. So we just put the seams together. Open up the seams so they can match. To the other corner. So we're gonna do the same thing on the lining, except for the opening on the bottom. And then we're also gonna box the lining. We'll do the same thing. Okay, here comes the magic moment. See if everything, you know what? We need to clip the little corners so that it won't be so bulky. Like that. And then we grab the inside of the purse and flip it over. Oh, finally. That's nice. Okay, now we iron it to sew up the inside part right here. To sew it up. And I got this real nice needle. A friend gave me for Christmas. Juanita. And we're gonna sew the bottom part shut. You know, I like to use the blind stitch, because if you want to use this bag reversible, you can use it, you know, as a little black bag. And everybody needs a little black bag, you know, when you go out somewhere, and you know, black goes with everything, or you can just reverse it. Then you sew all the opening. Flip it over. So see, these are so convenient because look, your phone fits in here, and your keys fit in here, maybe your glasses, and you're ready to go out the door, and you won't lose your phone.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, let's thank Miss Dori for hosting this video. If you like to buy purses from Dori, please get in contact with her. She's selling them for $10.